What's going on, guys? What we're going to talk about today is actually something really different than what I was originally going to make today's video, and I think I will make that video today anyway after this. But I had, you know how when you're in the shower, it's like the perfect place, shower thoughts are a real thing. The shower thought I had today was, I haven't spent any money on Uber Eats. Period. Like, I've never used Uber Eats to buy anything before. So the title of this video is I spent $0 on Uber Eats in 2025. And partially clickbait, but partially because I cook all my own meals, guys. That's the secret, right? I've been on the carnivore diet for 7 years and I cook literally all my meals. Like, it's January 25th today or January 24th. And I've cooked at home 24 days in a row. Now, the reasoning for this is, now I guess we're going to get into the esoteric stuff. So this isn't a life hack on how you spend $0 and 0 cents a year on Uber Eats, or how you can like scam Uber Eats or whatever, right? Well, technically you can scam Uber Eats by just not using them. So I love to cook, and it's because I had to learn how to cook properly, so that way I could know exactly what inputs are going in my body because of the stomach issues I have, like when I deal with my ulcerative colitis / Crohn's disease. And it's just been such a game changer. One, from a health perspective of, when you're cooking your own food, you know exactly what's being put in it. You're not trusting some fast food kitchen that probably has like 20, 30 ingredients in it. Even the beef from a restaurant is not going to be the same quality that you cook on a pan at home. Right, so one, health reasons, controlling the input. Two is going to be cooking like with your friends, right? Making it a social activity. One of my favorite things to do is host a just like a steak night, or just like cooking with the homies at my house. And my favorite way to hang out with my friends is we go work out, then we go back to my place, and then we cook. Like, we'll stop by the market, stop by supermarket, and then get some steaks and cook. Instead of getting meal delivery services sent to your door, it really challenges you to, it's like, hey, am I actually hungry, or do I just want to cure my boredom by ordering something, right? And I guess that's the third thing, right? Eat to live, don't live to eat. So the other reason that I'd never use meal delivery or meal prep services or any of that stuff is because I want to be able to only eat the things that I need to survive, right? Like, I mean, food is like so it's such an arbitrary thing, and like all the foodies out there are roasting me in the comments, but actually this is a carnivore channel, so there really aren't any foodies that are watching. But you don't need anything fancy. And like, this is literally an off the dome video. I just got out of the shower and the thought came to me, and I just clicked record, and I'm literally just going. I don't have any. There's no notes, nothing prepared. I'm just going off the dome because I love this topic. And so I guess what I'm trying to say is, you can focus on your health and inputs. You can focus on making cooking a social activity, and then you can really focus on the nutrition content on eating to live rather than living to eat. So a few reasons why I stopped spending money on Uber Eats, or I guess I never spent money on Uber Eats, but action item from this video, go and take a look at how much money you are spending on Uber Eats every month, every year, and see if that's worth it to you. And if it is, cool, no worries, like, eat your Uber Eats. But if it's not, and you're like, dude, how did I spend $4,000 a year on Uber Eats last year? Then it's time to make some changes. All right, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.